गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। केजे मालूका तेजस में आपका स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। टुडे आई एम टेकिंग क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट्स फॉर नवोदय विद्यालय सैनिक स्कूल क्लास 9th in math. As I have given the concept of cube yesterday, now I am taking cube root. As I have already given you the concept in class 6th for Navodaya Vidyalaya Sainik school, so you can watch that videos. The link of the previous video are in the description below. So now I am taking cube root. Cube roots, if any given n, the given perfect cube n, for the perfect cube n, the given integer m, then for that is n equal m cube, then m is called cube root of n. That means m equal 3. Means you can also write this n to the power 1 by 3, yani cube root of n, which is perfect cube. So n, that is for n equal m cube, then this is the m is the cube root of n. You can also write this m equal this way 3 n, that means n 1 by 3. This is cube root. So for the given perfect cube n, the taking integers m, that is n equal m cube, so m is called cube root of n. You can write also this way. If you see here, the product of, if you have to find the product of the given integers, if this way the product of इंटीजर्स, अगर आप प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इंटीजर्स का क्यूब रूट निकालना है तो दिस वे यू कैन राइट means separately you have to find the integers separately, the cube root of integers separately. That means अगर दिया हुआ है given a and b integers, तो क्या होगा, a और b का अलग अलग जो है क्यूब रूट का मल्टीप्लाई होगा. अगर रेशियो नंबर की बात करें, if you are given this way and cube root of ratio number, then you have to find separately the cube root of a and cube root of v. Means न्यूमरेटर का अलग और डिनोमिनेटर का अलग, और डिवाइड करके अगर कर दिया जाए तो यू विल गेट द क्यूब रूट ऑफ given rational number. This is division in the case of rational number. अगर बात करें the negative integers, negative, if you are taking negative integers, how we will find the square root of negative integer? In this case, if you are given any integers this way, then you will get minus. That means if you are given the integers a or integers are in negative, then the cube root of the integers will be this way, minus आगे आ जाएगा and cube root of a. That means if you are given, because you know कि अगर क्यूब निकालते हैं a का क्यूब, you know very well, a का क्यूब माइनस करते हैं तो माइनस दिस, you get this way. In the case of similarly here, a minus बाहर और cube root inside. The fact is that if you are given this cube, then this is minus, then minus बाहर आएगा and a 3 into 1 by 3, this way you can write, 3 से 3 cancel, that means you get, अगर minus a cube inside a cube root है तो this way, means the power क्या होता है, इसका जो पावर था वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. और this you can write also this way. If you are given this way, then you can also write this 1 by 3. Then क्या होता है, पावर क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. In the case of power, I have given you the concept in the 7th 8th class. So this is concept about the cube roots of Navodaya Vidyalaya Sainik School. I have given you the concept. Now we will solve the questions dependent upon cube and cube roots, in which how we will find the cube root of this numbers, integers and others by prime factorization method. Factorization method. And second one, the cube root of decimal cases. We will solve the questions related with these two topics, and I will, how it is to be solved, I will give you the concept about that with these theories. Try to solve, try to study this concept I have given you, and God willing in this lockdown. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है आप लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन जाता रहेगा. अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल में अपने नेबर्स को शेयर करें जिससे वो भी लाभान्वित हो, और गांव के दूर दराज के बच्चे को, स्पेशली उन बच्चे को जो हमारे समाज से कटे हुए हैं और दूर दराज में हैं और हमारे समाज से बिल्कुल तरह से जो बिछड़े हुए हैं, उनको ज़रूर जो है शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी अपने करियर को मुकाम पर पहुंचा सके. ओके, थैंक यू, जय हिंद.